That is so hard to do. So well done, Paige. Nice. Love that split. Her facial expressions are so cute. Another great jump. Lovely stretched legs. Wow, such a high passe. Well done. Look at that turn out in a second. That's so good. Oh my god, look at that split. That is... Oh my god, her legs are so long. Nice. She could have pointed her feet a little bit more there, but it's okay. Great. That was phenomenal. She got so much height on that. Look at that flexibility. She's so flexible.